message that I would say to any leaders or young leaders or staff that's interested in becoming a leader. Take those opportunities. We need you, but use all of your resources. Ask for help. And I think us as leaders need to be very mindful when we're bringing these young leaders in and promoting within, or, even externally, focusing on self-care, kind of time management. And that's something that was not ever taught to me. So bringing them up, utilizing all of your resources. Don't take on the world, but know that you are such an integral part, and you will, as a leader, most likely not be the popular one. And as long as you're consistent and fair and do the right thing, you will always win. You might not be viewed that way, but understand as you come into those positions, you're taking an unpopular position. Just do the best you can and take every opportunity. Even if you don't feel comfortable, get out of your comfort zone, put on shoes that are too big for you and grow into them. Seek out your own education, learn from others, go into accounting and learn. I'm not comfortable with accounting, but I need to know that in my role. So I work with accounting, and learn financials. And I think even if you're an EMT FTO, but you think someday you might want to be a supervisor, ask your current supervisor in that role if you can shadow them. We open up those opportunities within our organization because you never know who your next leader is going to be.